today's video ay itry naman natin si One Hand, guys. Kasi ang dami kong nakikita na maganda daw si One Hand and mas maganda na si One Hand ngayon, hindi tulad noon. So, in this video ay magkakaroon din tayo ng isang review tungkol kay One Hand. So, kung interesado ka sa video ito, keep on watching, and kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at bago ka pa lang sa video ito or bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na and hit ang bell button para ma-update ka sa upcoming videos and tutorials. Alright, so yun na nga guys, at magkakaroon tayo ng isang review or update review siguro kasi may mga reviews na tungkol kay One Hand. So before we go on to the process kung paano mag-loan ay dako muna tayo sa kanilang loan application. So sabi dito na we can loan up to 15,000 pesos na pwede po tayong makapagbayad within 3 months. Alright, so 3 months guys, and mababa na ang kanilang interest. Alright guys, so sabi din dito na ang lending company na si One Hand, name licensed by the SEC, We Fund Lending Corporation. Alright, with the certificate of or CES or SEC registered number of, lagay ko na lang dyan sa screenshot, okay? And yeah, titignan natin guys kung maganda nga ba talaga si One Hand ngayong for today's video. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so there you go. Open natin ang ating Google application or Google Play app. Doon natin ita-download si One Hand guys. So upon downloading, ay syempre makikita natin yung mga mapang-akit nilang advertisement, mga ganyan. So magre-register na tayo sa kanila using our mobile active phone number. So, dapat active guys kasi magsesend sila ng OTP or ng code, PIN code, ganyan. So, mag-register na tayo and syempre meron po silang mga agreement na kailan nating i-approve or i-accept. Alright? And then, meron din silang password or magsiset po tayo ng password para in case na login tayo sa kanila, meron tayong password na pwede natin gamitin. Alright, so set yung password and then, so bali lagay ko yung screenshot dito as usual, ayan. So sa kanilang dashboard, sabi dito, maximum credit amount of 15,000 pesos. So, yung malulong natin sa kanila is up to 15,000 pesos. So, tap natin yung borrow now, ayan. So, sabi dito, to provide our service and process your loan application, you will need to consent to collect, process, and store. So, i-accept lang natin yun guys kung gusto nating i-push through ang loan na ito. Alright? So, kailangan nila ng ating personal information like purpose of loan, educational level, ganyan. Mga information natin basically. And then, ayan. So, next is yung ating basic information na kung saan yun na nga, mga information natin, guys. So, next is ating contact. So, kailangan nila ng 3 na contact person. Okay? So, 3 tao ang kailangan lang dito. Hindi kagaya ng iba, naabot pa ng 5, ganyan. So, maglagay lang tayo ng mga contact person natin and ng kanilang phone number. And then, after which is, in-next na lang natin and meron agad tayong facial expression or facial recognition, sorry. So, facial recognition, so magpipicture po tayo. So, kailangan clear ang ating face pag magpipicture as usual, gaya ng mga ibang application. So, we-verify na natin and upon verification is ang ating identification. Okay? So, nangangailangan sila ng ID, yung name, complete name, yung nakalagay sa ID, lalagay na lang natin dito. And then, next na natin. So, ito yung mga kailangan ID na kailangan ni One Hand. Yung mga recommended ni One Hand. So, ilagay na ko lang dyan, PRC, SSS, passport, postal, and humid ID. Yun guys, yung mga high credit. So, meaning, yun yung mga 100% na ina-approve ni One Hand. Pag yun mga ID na yun ang gagamitin natin sa pag-apply kay One Hand. Alright? So, next na ID is ang GSIS, driver's license, teen, voter's ID, pag-ibig, PhilHealth. And yun guys. So, yun yung mga next na medyo na mga ID, pero pwede po natin silang gamitin sa pag-apply ng loan kay One Hand. Alright? So, for me, is aking ginamit in aking UMID ID since yun po ang available na ID sa aking wallet. Ganun. So, upload lang natin ang ating ID and of course, fill up natin yung mga information like name, middle name, birthday, last name, ganyan. So, tap lang natin yun guys and then yun guys ang kailangan ni One Hand. Alright? So, upon submitting all the requirements is magsasabit na sila agad-agad and i-assess na ng mga nag-assess kay One Hand kung papasa ba tayo or hindi guys. So, agad-agad po ay magsasend sila ng approve or disapprove sa ating loan application. So, yun guys ang One Hand. Okay, so pag na-approve po ang ating loan kay One Hand is, I think, ang ma-approve sa kanila or ma-approve na first loan kay One Hand is 1,500 to 2,500 guys. Pero payable naman ito within 1 month up to 3 months guys. So maganda daw siya kasi hindi ko pa na-try guys. Bale nag-apply pa rin ako pero hindi ko na tinuloy guys. So yun nga at maganda naman siya. Maraming magandang feedback tungkol kay One Hand. Pero meron din nagsasabi guys na medyo mahirapan daw po tayong or mahirapan daw mag-apply or mag-approve si One Hand. So kung gusto nyong i-try guys ay pwede naman i-try kasi ang kagandahan kay One Hand is hindi naman po sila naghaharas ngayon. Hindi tulad noon guys. So siguro magkaiba ng management ganyan. So hindi na po sila nang haharas ganyan. Alright, so tignan natin yung mga comments or mga comments sa kanilang application. Okay? So, sabi dito, April 17, sabi niya, I am super satisfied with their flexible payment scheme. Interest was cheaper compared to other micro-lending. By far best micro-lending. You just need to patient with the disbursement. It will truly take 24 to 48 hours. So, yun guys. So, 24 to 48 hours nila nire-release yung kanilang or ating loan kay One Hand. Alright? So, that is 5-star, and then next 5-star is this app is the best, very fast and easy transaction. Their term is the longest among all online application. Ayan. So magbasa tayo ng konting star lang, okay? Try natin yung mga 4-star or 5-star, ganyan. Okay, so dito sa 1-star, may nakita ko dito, sabi dito, this is not a good lending application. Interest rate is very high. Also, you cannot have 10,000 pesos loan, even up to 30,000, just what they advertise on ads. So, yun guys ang sabi nila. You cannot adjust the loan term as well. It was automatically set to 1 month only. So, 1 month po ang payable, yung loan is payable into 1 month. Okay? So, sabi dito, get rejected, even though the offer is very fair low. It's weird that they reject application outright with no basis. Waste of time and effort. Not worth keeping around cause you can count on this emergency fund, which is so in short is hindi daw maaasahan in terms of emergency. Yan. So, isa pang 1-star, this is not so bad, or this is so bad. They call every now and then saying, are you able to pay your loan? This is frustrating as I am good payer. Then they will call randomly even every now and then. So, yun guys. So, yung sinabi ko kanina, hindi sila naghaharas, pero meron pa rin nagre-rate na nagra-random call sila sa ating mga contacts. Alright? So, yun guys ang ating review kay One Hand and I hope naman natutunan kayo and I hope na napanood nyo to para in case na mag-loan kayo kay One Hand ay meron na kayong idea. Alright guys, so there you go. At yun pong aking review kay One Hand. Ayan. So I hope na may natutunan kayo. And nasa inyo din guys kung gusto nyong itry si One Hand. Baka maiba kayong review sa kanya. Kung positive or negative, comment down below. And to sum up the video is si One Hand ay kailangan niya ng 1 valid ID and payable up to 1 month. So, ito po ang isang loan application na pwede kang magkapagbayad ng loan up to 1 month. Hindi kagaya ng iba na 7 days po pwede tayong magbayad or we need tayong magbayad sa mga ibang loan. So, that's it my video for today and I hope nga ay matutunan kayo and please comment down below kung meron din kayong ibang experience kay One Hand. Thank you for watching guys and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!